What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on Cardano because this coin is currently forming really interesting trading setups on the multiple time frames. So if you are interested about the exact strategy and about the exact trades that I'm planning to do here, definitely watch this video to the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type 2 comments under the video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So thank you guys for doing that and enjoy the analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to trade with me and be part of my trading community, you can join this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the daily time frame. Right now we are forming here this falling wedge, and also we broke this triangle. About this triangle I informed you in my Discord trading group, so if you are not there, I highly recommend you to join. But right now, from the daily time frame, I don't think that there is like a good opportunity to enter both long and short position right now, because the risk reward ratio is simply not good there. So if you want to enter both long or a short position, personally I would wait for a test of this resistance, because if there will be a breakout and then support confirmation, then I think that there can be a good opportunity to enter a long position. But if there will be a resistance confirmation, then I think that there can be a really good opportunity to enter a short position, because you can like trade this whole move to do this support of this falling wedge. Let's start today with the long scenario on the daily time frame. As I said, the most important thing here is to wait for that breakout and support confirmation. So let's say if this coin will continue pumping, by the way, congratulations to everybody who like bought this breakout of this previous triangle. So if there will be that breakout and support confirmation, then I think that there can be a good opportunity to enter a long position. Stop loss you can put somewhere back to this falling wedge, and the last take profit target I would put either below this bearish order block or below this next bearish order block. And these bearish order blocks are between levels 0.462 and 0.431, and the next bearish order block is between 0.595 and 0.558. So in this case, there is risk reward ratio, let's say between 11.4 and 5.84. So personally, I would recommend you to take multiple take profit targets. So for example, you can take some of the profits below this strong high. This strong high is on the level 0.380. Then some of the profits below this bearish order block, and the rest of the profits below this next bearish order block. And it can give you an absolutely amazing trade on a daily time frame. On the other hand, the short trade can look, for example, like this. This scenario is simply the opposite as the long one. So I am waiting here for that resistance confirmation. There can be a breakout, but there can't be a support confirmation. So if there will be a breakout, but it will be just a fake out and we confirm the resistance here, then you can enter a short position. Stop loss I would put above the high that we will create after the breakout, and the last take profit target can be above this support on this falling wedge. But this is simply depends how long the price will get there. So if it will be something like this, the max take profit target can be on the lower levels. But in this case, it can give you, let's say, really approximately risk reward ratio 6.1. Let's now switch to a lower time frame, which is an 1 hour chart. Here, I think that there can be, again, a good opportunity to enter both long and short position, but it will simply depends how the price will react in this bearish order block, which is between 0.279 and 0.276. So if there will be a resistance confirmation, then you can trade this move to this support. There can be a risk reward ratio, let's say approximately 5.9, but like the max take profit target is 11% net profit, and if we like compare it to the profit on the daily time frame, you can saw that it was like 80% net profit. So yeah, the profits are smaller, but this trade will likely take maximum couple of days, but that trade on the daily chart will probably take at least couple of weeks. So yeah, this is the short scenario, and if you want to open some long position there, this is like the opposite. You need to wait for that breakout and then support confirmation. The long, let's say the long trade on the 1 hour chart is probably more risky here, because to the max take profit target we have here multiple bearish order blocks, but simply you can, for example, take some of the profits here, then here, and then here, and also you can move your stop loss with it, so you won't turn your profitable position into a loss. Another interesting thing that we are forming here on the 1 hour chart is this rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern. So another possible trade scenario can be valid if there will be a breakdown and then resistance confirmation. In this case, there is not that good risk reward ratio, because stop loss you need to put at least above the highest high of the rising wedge. So let's say above this week high, which is currently on the level 0.2697, and the last take profit target remains the same, but the risk reward ratio probably won't be that good, because, for example, if the price will now continue falling, then the risk reward, or then the resistance confirmation can be somewhere around this. Your stop loss you will put above this week high, and your last take profit target above this bullish order block. The risk reward ratio is only 3.6, which is not that bad, but I think that the taking a short position from this bearish order block can be a slightly better option. And the last thing that I want to discuss in this video is a really long time frame. So let's now switch to a weekly chart. Here we are forming this triangle, so in case of breakout and support confirmation, there can be room for a further upside. Right now a lot of people are talking about that $1 mark, which makes sense because this is like really strong resistance, but personally I think that the $1 mark currently is not that probable. Yeah, it can probably happen in the bull market, but personally I think that there will be just better options to buy, like in the altcoin space, than just buying simply Cardano. So yeah, keep mind in that. But if there will be that breakout and support confirmation, then I think that there can be a good opportunity to enter a long-term long position. Personally, I would put the max take profit target around the mark, let's say 0.69 or 0.78, which can give you, let's say, the max take profit target around 100 to 140% net profit, which is still pretty good. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you are interested in daily analysis, or if you want to copy my exact trades, you can join my Discord trading group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Also, if you have some favorite altcoin and you want me to look on it, you can type its name in the comments, and yeah, I will look on it in the next video. But as I said, this will be all from me for today. Thank you again everybody for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow in the next one. See ya.